Hi. Hi. Wait, who's this for?
I think it's for Marcus.
Yeah. Right, wait. Birdie!
What?
Don't ask. You understand. I love you. Mwah. Okay, your turn.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh,
I'm cooler than you.
Do you
Just so
want me to hold it?
Yeah.
I'll hold it.
You see me? Okay.
No, I see you upside down.
Alright, I'm cooler than you, and you should know, and it's the truth, so
Hold on.
accept the truth.
Accept it.
Okay, we got that word.
Alright.
And you should be here in Long Beach right now, but you're not, and you suck. Okay, bye.
Hi. I don't
Alright,
yeah.
I got it.
Yeah. So, yeah. Alright, I think we're done here.
I think we are.
Hearts. We send our hearts. Bye bye.